How to scan QR codes on iPhone and Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open camera. In your iPhone, you can simply show the QR code in your camera and it will show you what QR code has. Or simply on your Android device, you'll find Google Lens on bottom left. Simply click on it and in here, scan the QR code. After you've scanned the QR code, simply it will lead you what that QR code has. And in this way you can scan, or you can also download various apps to scan. And this is how to scan QR codes on iPhone and Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.